M.K. Gandhi, expanded as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also called as Mahatma Gandhi, is reverentially described as the father of India. With a fitting leadership to the freedom struggle in India, Gandhi played a pivotal role in securing freedom for India from the oppressive British rule. A lawyer, anti-racism activist and political leader, he is revered world over for leading hundreds of people on the path of truth and non-violence. Here are some of Mahatma Gandhi's most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. The good man is the friend of all living things. A man is the sum of his actions, of what he has done, of what he can do, nothing else. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it even if I may not have it at the beginning. Nothing has saddened me so much in life as the hardness of heart of educated people. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not even one man's greed. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Peace is the most powerful weapon of mankind. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. I believe in the fundamental truth of all great religions of the world. To lose patience is to lose the battle. It is better to be violent, if there is violence in our hearts, than to put on the cloak of non-violence to cover impotence. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes merely uttered to please, or worse, to avoid trouble. Fear has its use but cowardice has none. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. All humanity is one undivided and indivisible family, and each one of us is responsible for the misdeeds of all the others. You can chain me, you can torture me, you can even destroy this body, but you will never imprison my mind. Be the change you want to see in the world. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. What is truth? A difficult question, but I have solved it for myself by saying that it is what the voice within tells you. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary, the evil it does is permanent. An ounce of practice is worth 1,000 words. The hardest heart and the grossest ignorance must disappear before the rising sun of suffering without anger and without malice. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Non-violence is a weapon of the strong. Have faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the whole ocean doesn't become dirty. To answer brutality with brutality is to admit one's moral and intellectual bankruptcy, and it can only start a vicious cycle. Love is the strongest force the world possesses, yet it is the humblest imaginable. One can measure the greatness and the moral progress of a nation by looking at how it treats its animals. Civilization is the encouragement of differences. A small body of determined spirits fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission can alter the course of history. Faith becomes lame when it ventures into matters pertaining to reason. In matters of conscience, the law of the majority has no place. If you want real peace in the world, start with children. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is the truth. One needs to be slow to form convictions, but once formed they must be defended against the heaviest odds. A leader is useless when he acts against the promptings of his own conscience. A principle is the expression of perfection, and as imperfect beings like us cannot practice perfection, we devise every moment limits of its compromise in practice. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. An error does not become truth by reason of multiplied propagation, nor does truth become error because nobody sees it. Satisfaction lies in the effort, not in the attainment. Full effort is full victory. It is unwise to be too sure of one's own wisdom. It is healthy to be reminded that the strongest might weaken and the wisest might err. Action expresses priorities. Service which is rendered without joy helps neither the servant nor the served. Victory attained by violence is tantamount to a defeat, for it is momentary. We have to hand over the earth, the air, the land and the water to the children at least as it was handed over to us. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Faith is put to the test when the situation is most difficult. It is difficult, but not impossible, to conduct strictly honest business. Always aim at complete harmony of thought and word and deed. Always aim at purifying your thoughts and everything will be well. Among the many misdeeds of the British rule in India, history will look upon the act depriving a whole nation of arms as the blackest. Whatever you do will be insignificant, but it is very important that you do it. It is easy enough to be friendly to one's friends, but to befriend one who regards himself as your enemy is the quintessence of true religion. Power based on love is 1,000 times more effective and permanent than the one derived from fear of punishment. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. To retaliate against the relatives of the co-religionists of the wrongdoer is a cowardly act. Intolerance is itself a form of violence and an obstacle to the growth of a true democratic spirit. Peace between countries must rest on the solid foundation of love between individuals. The future depends on what you do today. No culture can live if it attempts to be exclusive. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. I am prepared to die, but there is no cause for which I am prepared to kill. The real love is to love them that hate you, to love your neighbor even though you distrust him. Distinguish between real needs and artificial wants and control the latter. Non-violence requires a double faith, faith in God and also faith in man. When you want to find truth as God, the only inevitable means is love, that is non-violence. I wish to change their minds, not kill them for weaknesses we all possess. The difference between what we do and what we are capable of doing would suffice to solve most of the world's problem. Anger is the enemy of non-violence and pride is a monster that swallows it up. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. My life is my message. As long as you derive inner help and comfort from anything, keep it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.